Messaging, you en route. Try to get more Reggie today. Click text message viewer, did you finish with those? Messaging, down to 3 Qs and going fast. Messaging, edit box, click text message viewer, we'll see what's up tomorrow. I don't think it's going down today. Messaging, edit box, enter message. Text message viewer, damn, I told a lot of motherfuckers I would have some loud by tonight, well fuck it then.
Now everybody claiming that they trapping in my city, but when I see them they be looking bumpy, I'm like really? Where the work at? What you doing, babysitting? Them boys must be tricky. Let me start from the beginning. Hold up, did you say you got it with a cheap price with it? Lying out your ass, this must be how Pimp was feeling, and my body's feeling jittery. All this damn racing back and forth to the door, compensating like a memory. This ain't just a hobby, this is trap boy chemistry. I just look like this, you should really see my energy. Sipping full throttles, got my ass full of energy. Time to mash gas, pass the weed and the Hennessy. Yeah. I'm about to get that cash, about to get that fast. And if I don't go hard, then my plan will starve. And I'ma have to rob, hope it don't get that bad. Hold up, my connect ain't bad, my connect ain't bag. Nigga, this ain't blow, mine ain't smoke. And one thing I know, we got them big ass bags. Them funky green blocks got me navigating clean. For his green matchbox, and police be on the scene. Who is he? Snap shots. I won't throw your ass a clue to who I be. Mad locks, I got mad locks, so I swing them. I don't give a fuck. This ain't for no pretty boys. I'm back on my ugly stuff. I'm gon' need another cup. Straight to the bar. Somebody go get my truck. I think I've been drunk too much. I think everyone I fuck, somebody else gon' try to fuck. I know I'm gon' piss some people off, but I don't give a fuck. I'm gon' get this money with this loud and reel my ceiling up. Rifles in my closet, hands off it, then my louder gun. Once you in your body, then you out of one. I'm not gon' play with my life, bitch. I gotta raise a son. I can move a metric ton, bitch. I got electric tongue, guaranteed to get you one before I even get the bug. East side, throw it up. East side, throw it up. Lay up in this bitch, and now it ain't no more ignoring us. Lean up in this bitch, so take that stuff and go and pull it up. Keisha's in this bitch, say no more, go and throw it up. Shot back, I can get the pop back, Gordon Hope. Now who you know go hard and slow? Now who you know with hard flow? Seriously, I show you niggas how it go.